there, curl friends. Quick note, you can now buy Robe Curls safely on our Amazon Robe Curls listing. There are still a lot of counterfeits out there, so if it looks like ours, it's not ours. It has to be the Robe Curls storefront. And for some backstory, if you didn't know, from mid-January through mid-May, we had counterfeit sellers all over our listing. It diverted all of our sales to their counterfeit seller's pocket. It meant that our customers were really upset. They all received these counterfeit, cheap, terrible products, and we're so sorry. And PSA, like, if you did get one of those, please give us the opportunity to rebuild your trust. That is not our product. We know it is trash. We want to send you one of ours on us, so just reach out to us. We're here to make it right. But yes, we finally got them off of our listing by being Amazon brand transparent. We got approved, which is great. So that means you can shop safely on our Robe Curls listing, whether you're on Amazon US or Canada or other countries, and know that you're going to get our product. And all that means is that there's now going to be like a little sticker you might notice right here, and it says like Amazon brand transparent. It's our product. So that's great news. We also learned a lot during this time, so just wanted to share a little thing about it, which is basically, unless you're Amazon brand transparent, Amazon allows other people to throw their product onto your listing. There's no vetting going on, so counterfeits on Amazon are just rampant, and it's really hard as a brand to get them down. Like, it's a whack-a-mole game, near impossible if Amazon even lets you take them down. So basically, the only way to know if you're searching for a specific brand on Amazon to know that you're going to get that brand's product is to check the sold by section. Even if it's the brand's name in the title, even if it says visit the brand's name storefront, unless it says sold by and it has that brand's name, take a beat. Now you'll see it always says sold by Robe Curls LLC because we are certified brand transparent. No one else can go up there. But for a lot of other listings, you'll see, and how it was for us in the past, that there are these other sellers, and like you see sold by other seller sections, there's even more sellers. Those are likely counterfeits, or I mean, you just honestly don't know. No one is vetting. So yeah, just be careful. If you're looking to buy the real brand's product, it's always safest just to buy it on their website and to skip the Amazon hullabaloo, because yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. We're really glad we got through it. And we also just want to say a huge thank you to all of our curl friends. This was the hardest time for our business, really hard. We almost didn't survive. It was bad. But yeah, it was because of you guys that, I was able to get out of bed and keep fighting here, because we knew you guys were fighting alongside of us. We got so many messages from customers who were notifying us of all these like fake counterfeits, who were filing reports on our behalf, trying to get them down. And like, seriously, we appreciated that so much. You guys wanted us to survive, and that means the world. Everything we do here is for you. So thank you guys so much for being a part of our journey, for being our curl friend. We are filled with so much love for you. So thank you.